Dogecoin has been all the rage since its origin. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and vacillations in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at 10 years? Dogecoin Value Expectation 2023 as indicated by our Dogecoin Forecast 2023, the coin might have least and most extreme costs of around 7 cents and 18 cents. Separately, Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025 when it is 2025. Our Dogecoin conjecture recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 39 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030 according to our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of 82 cents, with a base cost of 57 cents in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are formed to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous web image. Dogecoin's cost has tremendous potential. With the sort of notoriety rising, Dogecoin's presence is tremendous contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Cordial to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Hacking your Dogecoin is presently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the notoriety and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized cash's dynamic and resolute worth wins around an air of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919 and is currently the 8th greatest advanced cash on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing stockpile is at 139,097,276,384 Doge, while the complete flowing inventory is 139,097,276,384. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a huge fall over the long haul. Be that as it may, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a nice recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost bankrupted the prompt obstruction with next to no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the urgent obstruction of 9 cents and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange beneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and for sure, financial backer opinion seeing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the digital forms of money fit for being utilized as a useful cash as opposed to just as a speculative resource. As indicated by the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around $0 long-term in. Conversely, the specialized examination and Dogecoin value expectation of computerized coin costs propose that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unequaled high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changely likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin expectation 2023 according to the market opinion and future cost activity. The greatest expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents, while the typical cost may be 13 cents. And the base cost may be 7 cents in view of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin forecasts 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost forecast, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Doge expectation 2027. As per our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents, running against the norm. The typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin gauge 2028. Even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Our Doge cost forecast uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In light of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 82 cents and 57 cents. The typical cost might be around 69 cents, with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen essentially constantly 2030. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from genuine government-issued money. This special trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity, since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With truckload of cash driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an impressive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. Nonetheless, our venture guidance is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As per our cost expectation and investigating past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. In any case, the costs will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Indeed, Doge is a wise speculation. According to our Dogecoin value expectation and late good faith after Elon Musk purchased stakes in Twitter, the most recent Dogecoin news recommends that the commitment to the ascent of the Dogecoin cryptographic money for the most part emerged because of Elon Musk's impact. Be that as it may,